So the 3 months when you're farming the area, first and foremost, pick an area that you're actually going to enjoy selling, right? I think there are agents out there that pick an area because they think there's a great opportunity there, because the houses sell quickly, whatever that is. For me, the biggest thing is like, am I going to really enjoy like selling in that area, holding open houses in that area, showing homes in that area? Because farming is a long play. It's not a short play. Farming is not going to be like 3 months, 4 months. It's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5 years, right? And you want to pick an area that you're going to enjoy working in for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. That's number one. Number two, consistency. Consistency, what I mean by it is, if you're going to be sending out postcards, to get the farm going, geo-farm going, man, you got to do it every single week for the next 2 to 3 months. Every single week, they got to get something of a value from you. I'm talking about the neighbors in that subdivision. And number three, you got to have some sort of a like call to action, unique selling proposition, something that will make that homeowner pick up their phone, call you, text you, email you, visit your website, doesn't matter, right? Something, a unique selling proposition, call to action, something along those lines, right? Those are the three things right away. And then the fourth thing that I would add to it is, once you get a listing, you got to milk that listing. You got to be able to leverage that listing. And what I mean by that is, you got to make sure that every single neighbor in that neighborhood knows who you are, right? And we do that typically with the open houses. We do that with the neighborhood open houses. We do that with the flyers, door knocking, whatever needs to be done. But I want to make sure that every single neighbor in that neighborhood knows about me, about my team, about my brokerage.